I'm Tim.
And I'm Christy.
And we're the Kelly Corner. Time to do maintenance on my HD antenna. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. First thing we want to do is let our antenna down. Got these gears here we want to spray. Wind it up and let it down. Now that we got that, I'm going to be removing this little pinhole cover there. I'm going to spray some silicone spray down in there. Like so. Put that back in there. Then we'll raise it up and give it a few spins. There we go. So all of our gears have some silicone on them. We'll let this all the way down again. Okay, from inside the camper you want to remove the crank by loosening a small Torx head type screw, and you want to drop the handle and the spring and the shaft, exposing the shaft. You want to drop that. Then let's go back up onto the roof here, and basically we just need to remove this nut, plastic nut here. That'll expose the shaft, and then there are two locking pins here. We're going to take our needle nose pliers here and pull them out. Like that. There's another one. Them two. Slide our pins out. Okay. All right. Then we can take our shaft, pull it straight up and out. Take our silicone spray, spray it there. Now be sure to have something down below, because if this spray gets down into the hole that this shaft slid into, it will drip down into the RV. But you want to put a good amount of spray in the housing here. Okay, into the gear housing. And then we want to spray a little here on the gear itself, like so. And then we can put everything back into place. Drop our housing in. so. Put our pins back in. One. Here's two. Put our locking pins back into place. One. Here's the other. And we can put our plastic nut back on. And that's how we lubricate our antenna.